Within the software industry, TCS has enjoyed pole position for the longest time. Two things that strike out about TCS. Firstly, its ability to grow at the kind of rate of growth it has year after year for many years. And second, the fact that it has a business model which is solid, which is cash focused, and which has stood the test of time.
Infosys was seen as the benchmark for the IT majors. Now that seems to be shifting towards TCS. Would you agree with that?
They've given results. They've given exceptional results. Kudos to them on that. So the market goes, in terms of who the star performer is at any point of time. That's a reality of the investor public. And I think in TCS's case it was deserved, in fairness to them.
Business Leader of the year 2011, one of the youngest CEOs in the group, briefly took his company to being the highest in market capitalization in the whole country. Mr. N. Chandrasekaran, the CEO of TCS.
The CFO of the year, ladies and gentlemen, is the Chief Financial Officer of Tata Consultancy Services, Mr. S. Mahalingam.